This is your nutrition in 90 seconds. So today I'm going to talk about fiber. So what is fiber? Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot digest. And there's different sources of fiber. We know fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains are different sources of fiber. So why is this important? One reason it's important. Have you ever experienced constipation or had issues with your bowels? Now it's important to note how much fiber you get in your diet. So fiber aids in that. Fiber helps with passing softer stools. So it's very important if you're not having soft stools or you're having issues with your bowels. One thing I would say, look at how much fiber you're getting in your diet. Also, fiber helps with your weight. It helps you feel fuller longer, because you notice if you eat more foods as a good source of fiber, you're going to have more fuller feel, such as like beans and all that. You're going to feel fuller longer. Also, fiber can also help people who are have diabetes, type 2 diabetes. It helps your weight, maintain your weight. So it's a lot of benefits with fiber. But the thing, you look at it too, fiber food sources are fruits, vegetables, beans, are those healthy sources that we need anyway. So if you're doing that anyway, you should be getting enough fiber in your diet. Make sure you also drink plenty of water, because if you're increasing your fiber in your diet, you do want to make sure you're getting plenty of fluids, and make sure you drink plenty of water along with the fiber intake that you're getting. So that's all I want to talk about, a little bit about fiber. So make sure you're taking small steps that will lead to big change. So keep taking steps to where you want to be. Even if you got to take small steps each week, make those necessary changes, then you can see the benefit that you need. So don't forget to check out my website at www.stepsforchange.net. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. I will see y'all later.